Raise your hand if you feel alive.
What's up, Camper with Josh? How are you doing, man? I try to come with some good information. I try to come with, like, it's good news, but every time I come on here, it's a lesson learned. Today, it was raining completely hard. I did a time lapse of how crazy it was. Didn't capture the lightning, but lightning strikes this RV park on Forest River, Georgia, like crazy. But here's a time lapse. Y'all, it look like I'm surviving my first thunderstorm, and oh my gosh, the thunderstorms out here are ridiculous. Thunderstorms out here are terrible. I just seen some lightning strike. Uh-oh, getting a call. So I was smart and said, let me put my canopy in. So I rolled my canopy in. That's what I did because I knew I needed to do that because it sucks. They're plastic. They really suck, and not because I've heard it or seen it. I just looked. It looks cheap, you know. It's two metal arms with plastic rails, and what happened was when I left the whatever extended, water built up in the middle, put pressure, and it collapsed. I went outside to try to lift it up. It was about 200, 300, 400 pounds. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm not surprised it broke. I was outside for hours. I couldn't record because it was storming, lightning, and all that stuff, trying to do it myself and couldn't get it done. So one of the neighbors came out and helped me. I want to show y'all how bad it got. So that's it. And it broke from right up there. I'm sorry. I know it's super foggy. But yeah, it broke from right up there. You can see where it bent and got damaged right here. This whole piece is loose, so I don't know how much that repair is gonna cost. If you know in the comments, please let me know, like a guesstimation of what I'm looking at, because yeah, my feelings are hurt, y'all. My feelings are so hurt. But you live and you learn. I'm just so pissed. Like, look at that. That's toasted. It bent from right up there. Yeah, it bent. So the other side, I don't know how bad that one got. Man, that shit was going down too, but it won't go all the way in, and it's low-key bent. It was on its way out as well, because that side broke. So I'm surprised the whole tent just didn't come out. I'm surprised the whole tent didn't just come out, but we just might need a whole new one at this point. That's how bad it is. We just might need a whole new tent, and if it's like that, but yeah, if it's like that, I'll just tell them to take it off. I don't care for it right now. We can get that in another year. So it's a Solera 3000. I'm going to actually reach out to the company and see if they can do anything. I don't care if we got to do a brand deal at this point. Something. As y'all can see, when it comes to the whole... So originally I came outside because my... I keep forgetting the name of the satellite. I'm so sorry. Because my... Starlink. There we go. My Starlink. My Starlink was underwater. The water was covering my feet right here. That's how high it was. So I came out, I moved the truck, I put it on top of the truck to get it out the water because it was flooded here. So for that quick second when I let my awning out, there we go, that's the name. I let my awning out to actually, I let my awning out to actually just have a quick little cover so I don't get too wet. Within 3 minutes, I swear to God, 3 minutes of the awning being out, it snapped. It snapped, and with the weight of that, with no support from the awning, just covering, I was stuck inside my room. Couldn't even get out the door. But we moved locations. We are at now site 19. I'm here for a week, and then I'm gonna move to site 27 where that vehicle is, for a month. So we've been hopping around everywhere. It's actually packed today. It's really packed today. I'm going to go get the laundry because I actually need to get my clothes out the dryer. I'm sorry I'm stumbling and I'm all over the place, but today has been like so defeating for me. So I'm new at this. I haven't broken anything yet, so I felt like pretty comfortable. I was like, oh, I haven't broken anything. This is easy. I just haven't broke anything yet. Like, it's not that hard. And now, soon I broke something, I'm losing my mind. Like, I'm losing it. I'm literally feeling like that newbie, man. And like I said, I was super comfortable and confident and wasn't feeling like the new guy. And now I am. So that's what kills me, because, oh, look at that bee. Get away. So that's what has me stressing a little bit. So yeah, like I said, today's been a little stressful just because of those little things. At first, let me make sure I'm not. Shout out to the Army for giving me a free bag, laundry bag, so I can get my stuff. The good thing about staying on base, I don't know if it's like that at other locations, but free shower, restrooms, and free laundry room. So you just gotta do your own detergent and bags and stuff like that. So that is a good thing. No complaint on that side. Everything is washed. I was in the field. I go back to the field tomorrow, so I'm gonna be smelling like crazy. Forest Stewart is not it. Forest Stewart is so challenging. So as a leader, I'm really challenged. I'm not gonna lie, I really am challenged. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna keep pressing on. We're gonna carry on. I got this. Like I said, I love coming to the vlog and talking about it because like it's not easy being a full-time camper, glamper, whatever you guys call it. I love the fact that I get to get on here and talk to people and meet people. Like, the support is crazy. The support is super awesome, and I appreciate every little bit of it. Now I know the awnings are super cheap. I think I've seen a few TikToks that was like, don't even use it. Buy your own little pop-up tent, put outside. Don't use the awnings, it's gonna break. They're super flimsy. I remember when I was staying at MacDill in Tampa, Florida, on the Air Force Base there. Wind blew and my awning went all the way up and came back down. I was like, oh crap, and I put it back in. I just never messed with it with the rain. The drainage is really terrible. It should have just ran all the way down and to the left and right. It just pooled. And I guess the awning wasn't strong enough, so it sort of kind of fell back on itself and created that pocket where water just accumulated, and then a few 100 pounds later, or 50 gallons later, I don't know, it broke. Yeah, I'm just mad because I don't know how expensive that's gonna be. Like I said, I've been out here for about 3 weeks, and then I just paid for a month in advance, so it's expensive. For those who don't know, I also have a house in McDonough, Georgia, and TMI, but it is what it is. My mortgage is like $3,500. It's a 5-bedroom square house, almost 4,000 square feet. The market's trash, so no one can afford a mortgage to pay pay rent for a mortgage. And no one wants a house that big. They're looking for typically family homes, like a three bedroom or something like that. So that's what we're left with. That is literally, it's gonna fog up again, aren't you? But yeah, that's what we are left with, guys. Trying to figure out what works and what doesn't. Being new at this. Shout out to the guy who helped me. Like, bro, that help was every single thing. That help was it all. So we're heading back to the trailer, RV, or whatever the proper terms are. And yeah, that's it, man. Like, it's pretty out here. I'm not gonna lie, like it is pretty. Like, something about like how green it gets, but also how terrible is the weather? Like, how crazy is the weather? Well, if y'all can in the comments, you know, give me some good news. Tell me something good, something positive. I did not turn my water on though. So let me actually go do that. There we go. I never turned my water on, so I just turned that on so we can at least have some stuff. So this one that I moved to for the week is just electricity and water. It is not a full hookup. Okay, so we didn't do a full because there's no fulls available right now. But yeah, look at my baby. Damn, definitely broke that. It's crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Oh. Like these feetsies. Next thing I do need is a mop. All that mud and water has to go. But thank you guys continuously for coming along on my journey. Thank you guys continuously for the comments and the support. Next time the weather's bad, put the awning up, leave it closed. Just walk in the rain. Don't use the awning at all. And of course we'll make a video when I find someone in the area to come. If there's anyone in the Hinesville area that knows mechanic or something, please let me know. Some of the campsites I go to, there's always a Facebook page, especially the Air Force. Shout out to the Air Force. I know I'm Army, but the Air Force does it right. They always have a page where people can talk. And like today I could jump in a chat and say, hey guys, I was a dumb newbie who left their awning out and it broke. Is there a recommendation or a recommended person that does it? Because sometimes at these locations, the guy does it. An RV repairman, handyman might live or stay in your RV park, which is super dope. So, big shout out to the guy. I know you're not going to see because, I don't know, this is just on YouTube. But big shout out to the individual who helped me today. Thank you. I was at my all-time low. I've been in the field all week. I begged my commander to let me out for one day to come move my RV. I should have moved it and just took my butt back to the field, but they can't pick me up until tomorrow due to weather, and it happened. So it's okay, it's fixable, if not replaceable or removable. I really don't care for it anymore, and I learned my lesson, man. But until next time, thank you guys again. This is Camping with Josh. You're gonna see the good, the bad, the ugly. You're gonna see my mistakes. You're gonna see when I do good. You're gonna see when I do bad. All right. So thank y'all for staying tuned, man. Until the next video, please like, subscribe, and peace.
Yeah. Really like something never done. Raise your hand if you feel alive. Sunrise lighting up the coastline. Pretty girl dancing in a slow wine. Barefoot stepping where the waves roll. Good vibes only, that's the main goal.